There's the boys. There's the boys. What are you doing?
And a girl.
Get over here. There's the boys. Oh, he's biting his butt. What are you doing? Huh? Come here.
Look at him.
You
He's so
cutie.
cute.
Arr, 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 arr. Let's get the skinny little line on his face.
On his neck? Oh, okay.
See, he's got a thin line, and then the other one looks like it has a thumbprint. See, he's got a thumbprint on his head.
And his little dot.
Yeah, a little dot. Okay, there's everybody.
And the other boys there?
No, there's only 3 boys.
Yeah, the white with the
tip right here. This one.
Look.
What are you doing?
Oh, this one with the eye. Hi. Hi.
Little girl with her little makeup eye. She's gonna have eyeliner on her right eye.
Like a target dog.
Mia's getting in the box. It's just amazing. Look at her.
You don't want to go in there. Wait till they get older.
Then they'll be all over her. What you doing in there, Kitty in the box.
She won't do that in a week.
She'll be mauled if she does. Aww. Come and say hello. And the little girl with a little black... Oh, that's the boy with the little black spot on his ear.
This is a girl. Hello! Hello! He's cute.
Victoria seems awfully fresh as she arrives at over an ounce. As we mentioned earlier, she's racing against the improper combined time of 18 minutes, 20 seconds. Victoria...
Is everybody on top of everybody? Who's sleeping? Look who's sleeping under here. Who is this? Who is this, you pretty girl? You pretty all-white girl.
That's the all-white girl, yeah.
Yeah, she's all tired. She's all tired.
I'm asleep. Oh, look. They all 3 of them just fell asleep.
You want to hold a boy for me? Hello. Hello. There's one boy. You can put him in the basket. We'll hold each one. People can see. Okay, in the basket. Alright. And then another boy. Not sure.
I can't see, it's too dark.
This is the other boy.
Hello!
There he is. Hi, buddy. Oh. Okay, thank you. And then you grab the other boy. Here you go. Big boy.
Oh.
Oh, look at you. You're such a big boy. You're so huge. Humongous. Humongous. You grab one other one. These are all the girls. Aw, pretty girl.
Very calm. She's calm. It's an all-white girl.
All-white little girl. A sweet girl. Oh. Hi, honey. Oh.
She's adorable. It's warm on top of them.
Oh. It's another little girl. She has a little black and fawn ear.
I know Gypsy.
Oh. There she is. Pretty girl.
Okay, I got you. I got you. You're okay. Listen.
One more. One more, little girl. With the eye makeup. There you are, pretty girl. Oh,
This is her good side.
This is her good side. Oh, yes, I know. I know.
Okay, we're all going to the bedroom.
Bye-bye.